Hi Freya, this is the app demo from Group9 with members Freya, Nam and Chris. The app name is Brick and Drag. Our app is designed to split bills among friends, and it also works as a virtualization notebook to track the expenses. So now we choose try to get started. Can you, yeah.
Okay. Let me talk. Hi Priya. This is Nam. I will tell you about the overall structure of our application. So the main feature we use to organize our application is with you fragment. So here we can see we only have two main activity, which is main activity and starting activity for logging, and all our function will be run in the main activity, which we have some many fragment. For example, to control between the fragment, we use the bottom navigation, and you can see on the screen this is bottom navigation. So let's back to Freya. Let's back to Freya. She will talk about logging process and introduce you about a fragment in our application.
So when we register a new account, we also ask validation to make sure the users input some right format. So can you register something? Yeah, something wrong. Yeah, and maybe you can add not enough digit. That's nine digit, something like that for phone number. Yeah. So yeah, so phone number should contain 10 digits. So just add one more digit. So that's will okay. Okay. So Chris, can you now log into your account?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, thank you. So this is the homepage of our app. On the homepage, we have three sections, one for codes of the day and expense sheet and for the category. The code of the day will be fetched every time, 5 seconds from the API, and the expense summary is the summary from whenever the user add a new expense to the list, and we will show how expense that the user spend on each category, and the photo gallery is fetched whenever the user add the photo onto the new expense list. So now we'll pass to Chris.
Hi. Now let me tell you more about our split function. So underneath in the menu for the second button, this is the split button. When user click this split button, it shows the activities uh, that belongs to this user. And as you can see right now, this user has three activities. And for the bottom one, this is a dinner for third in Maple. And what this means is that when we click inside this activity, you can see that this activity has three friends inside. The first one is Chris, and then Nam, and then Freya. And for this screen, other than seeing the participants in this activity, the user can also input the tip amount underneath. For example, let me input 10. So this value will be used to calculate for the subtotal in the later page. And after this page, when we try to click inside Chris, you can see that there is no item here right now. But when we click add item on the top right, a new item will be added into Chris account. And for this item, we can change the name. For example, I can change the name to X and also add the price. And then I can select the tax that is suitable for this item, for example, 5% GST. After that, Chris can click the we calculate button here to see the subtotal and also the total. And for this total, it includes not only the subtotal amount, but also the tax and also the tips. And then after Chris view the items and also pay for the item, he can click mark as pay underneath. And this signals that Chris has already paid for this activity. So if all the users pay for the activity, for example, like this, the title on the top will show completed at the end. And this signals that this activity has been completed and all the players, all the participants have already paid it. And that's all for the split function. Now let's move on to NAM to talk about the expense and the activities.
Yeah, thank you, Chris. Please move to the add expense, which means the third button. So this is our form to fill up for the expense information. Here we have the amount, category, note, and then date. The amount we can input the amount we spend, and for the category, when we click on the category, it will show a list of categories for us to choose. So please choose a random category, Chris, and please fill the amount for me too. And for the note, you can note a short note with you spend on. And for the day, we use a day picker to choose the date. Yes. Moreover, we can click on the camera to add a photo of our expense in order to like remind us or take it memory. So whenever you click on the camera, it will take you to the album of the phone. And when you click add, the expense will store in SQLite database and the photo will store in the storage. So it will show you, it will lead you to the expense list fragment. Here, all your expense will list here with the order by the date. And whenever you click into a specific expense, it will lead you to the expense detail. Yeah. For example, we should create the expense and the image is fetching from the file-based storage and all the information of the expense will show here. Moreover, we have the account information within the last button of the bottom navigation. Here will show all your information of the account, which we have email, name, phone number, and one more button for us to direct to our expense list. Whenever you click to expand list, you will back to the expand fragment. Yeah, so that's everything about our application. Hope you enjoy that. Thank you.
Thank you.